saw here, it's already day 7 of our Vlogmas episodes, and our first stop today is Urban Garden Cafe and Bistro. This place is very Instagrammable, but I just sat down the whole time because I'm always in this place. So I just let all my friends to do their thing.
Hi guys! So, kanina galing kami sa Urban, nag-shoot sila doon, and now we're here in Moon Cafe. Hindi pa siya open, pero in-open for us today. So, hi!
It was a very quick stop because it's already the last cafe that we're going to, and they are going back to Manila, so we made the most out of it. We had so much photos, we bonded, and we made the most of the last minutes together. I got left behind in Moon Cafe and spent some downtime there because I really love the feels of the cafe. It's really Korean inspired, and look, I will just tour you around.
Oh yeah, with the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far.
Finally home! Tignan natin, meron bagong bagay dito sa bahay na bigla na lang nandito na. Kian, can you tour me in your tent?
Okay.
I will be the one holding.
Hi guys! Today we're going to camp. Okay. Here's our tent.
When did you build your tent?
On they build.
Did you just build it now?
No, Ate Buning and Papa helped me build it.
Close your house. Close, para walang lamok.
Here's my display.
What's that?
It's the swimming pool water. How you use the display?
You should ask Papa for a lamp inside.
Tita Therese?
No.
Move the camera to the floor.
There na.
Move it to the
There
floor.
na.
You do like that.
Bakit? Pag yan nabutas.
Then it will do like that.
No, you shake it like that. In circle. Okay, can I see? Stop. The view. You're not yet done? Oh, what's that?
And here's my drink.
What's inside?
I already drink it.
What's inside?
Nothing. I already drink it.
It's
now.
water.
And here's my clothes.
Why do you have clothes here?
When I was going to swim, I removed it so I can swim. And I have a blanket here. And I have a bed dito. And there's my baby called Kelly. And here's Tita Therese's cell phone.
No!
And the cover is a cow.
Hello! Hello! Ay, ay, ay. Update guys. Nakabili ng cotton candy yung kuya ko, pero look, ang liit na. Let's eat it while watching Mama. Tapos na mag-perform ang GOT7, kaya eto na tayo, lalabas na tayo kasi magdi-dinner kami sa labas ng bahay. Hi, Kili girl! Ay, Kili, Kili, Kili! Ay, Kili, Kili, Kili! Ay, Kili, 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 Kili! Ay, Kili, 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 Kili!